Welcome to LXGUIDE. In today's topic, I'm going to tell you guys 4 main reasons why you are hearing that clicking noise or ticking noise coming from the dashboard area. You're going to hear that clicking or ticking noise coming from the glove box area, the steering wheel area, and the climate control area. This 4 main reason that I'm telling you is going to apply for most European, Asian, and domestic vehicles. The first common problem is you're going to have some sort of alarm issue. If there's something wrong with your alarm, definitely this will cause a loud clicking noise. If you notice that your tail light and your headlights are flashing, there's a high chance this is going to be an alarm issue. For this vehicle, I believe this is going to be an alarm system issue. When I press the brake, the clicking noise stops. So it's going to be caused by this component over here. When I put my finger on it, I can feel that ticking noise. Also, when I turn on the hazard light, it makes a very odd, rapid ticking noise. So again, I'm gonna have to try to figure this out by getting a wire diagram and try to find out why. So again, this is one of the problems why it's causing that clicking and ticking noise. The next most common cause is going to be caused by a blend door actuator. So basically, the blend door actuator controls the opening and closing of the blend doors. Basically, that's going to be part of your HVAC system. It's going to be your AC system and your heater system. So if you notice that you're hearing a consistent clicking noise like this at startup, most likely, and there's also a high probability, it might be the blend door actuator that's causing this issue. The next common cause is going to be there's going to be a relay somewhere in your dashboard that's causing this ticking or clicking noise. So if there's a relay that's probably going bad, or maybe there's an electrical issue, again, this will cause some sort of ticking noise and clicking noise coming from the dashboard area. The next common problem is going to be a failing alternator or extremely weak battery. So if your charging system is not working properly, a lot of electrical components on the vehicle will not operate properly. So that means that any motor or stepper motor or any electrical component will not receive enough power. Again, this can definitely cause that clicking noise due to these motors not receiving enough power. If you have to guess what the most likely problem is going to be, most likely it's going to be caused by a blend door actuator. So on a typical vehicle, there's going to be two or more blend door actuator, and it's either going to be on the left side or right side of the dashboard, or sometimes even the center of the dashboard. To access the blend door actuator, sometimes it's not an easy job, and sometimes you do have to remove a lot of components to get to it. And sometimes, if you're lucky, all you have to do is remove the glove box, or sometimes the blend door actuator could be located underneath the steering wheel, and it's easy to get to. I hope you found this video useful. As always, thank you for watching. Subscribe to LXGUIDE.